Welcome to the EEE360 video for lab number 21, the split phase induction motor, part 3. For this lab we'll be using the following components: the AC power supply, the AC voltmeter, the AC ammeter, the split phase induction machine, as well as the single phase wattmeter. And now the TA Ji Cheng is ready to make the connections for us. We're going to go from our adjustable AC power supply into the single phase wattmeter. We'll also connect the neutral point of our adjustable power supply into the neutral point input of the single phase wattmeter. Now we're going to go from our positive terminal output of our single phase wattmeter through an AC ammeter. From the AC ammeter, we're going to connect to one side of our main winding. And now we're going to connect the neutral point output of our single phase wattmeter. We're going to connect that point to the other side of our main winding. And now let's apply power to our auxiliary or start winding. We're going to go from the one side of our main winding, which connects to our power source. We're going to connect that to one side of our centrifugal switch. Now we're going to connect the other side of our centrifugal switch to the one side of the auxiliary winding. And now we're going to connect the neutral point of our auxiliary winding to the neutral point of the main winding, which goes back to the neutral point of our single phase wattmeter. Now we would like to check the voltage that's being supplied to our motor. So we're going to check the voltage across the main winding. And now we have all of our connections properly made. And now we're ready to energize our circuit. First we'll turn on the power supply, and we're going to adjust for 120 volts line to neutral. See, our motor is now starting. Now that we have our power supply set, let's go ahead and take a close look at the rest of our measurements. And here we can see that our single phase wattmeter is reading approximately 80 watts. And here we can see our current reading. We're reading precisely 4.0 amps. And now students, it's your chance to do this and other experiments as outlined in your laboratory manual.